back to my channel, Keshin Mughals Fun Zone. And guys, I'm really sorry I was not uploading videos since a long time. Well, guys, I was actually busy on it. Keshin and Aradhe was my previous channel, but due to certain reasons, I was unable to upload videos there. Now it has started to work properly. And make sure to subscribe my brother's channel, Aradhe Dugal's Fun Zone. He had a channel, Dreamy Children, but now he has changed his channel due to certain reasons. So guys, today's video is based on recording features. So we all know during this COVID-19 pandemic, we all are facing certain problems. So we actually attend classes and meetings on Zoom, or even at Google Meet or some other application. But sometimes we have to record something, but we are unable to because the host might be, because you don't know, or you might maybe the host might be keeping the feature to record that someone starts recording, keep the recording feature that the host keeps it off. So I'm going to tell you an easy way how to record it, how to record an application or anything, not only Zoom meeting or meeting, you can record anything with it. So it's an easy way. So hope you enjoy. If you do, then please give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon for more notifications. So the name of so I'm going to tell you on Windows 10 first of all. I have Windows 10 here. So the name of the application is Xbox Game Bar. You can search here at the search box. So here it will come the option. You can open it. Okay. So if you saw that feature, now I'm going to tell you its shortcut key. Shortcut key for it is Windows key plus G. And you saw I opened something from there. Well, that feature is to record for recording or screenshot taking. Sometimes you by chance close it. So the feature to enable it to is we saw a cross there. A feature to enable it is Windows plus Alt plus G to recover it. So these are our shortcut keys. Now, if it doesn't recover, we are going to open settings and we're going to recover it from there. We can see the shortcut key from there. There will be written gaming. First, we are going to open the settings. The shortcut key for settings is Windows plus I. The Windows key is same that is here. Then we are going to go to gaming. And then we are going at the starting, and then we will see certain options where we could to enable microphone, because firstly microphone won't be enabled. So we are going to click on the microphone and there will be some option coming to change the settings, and we are going to change the settings from there. And now we are going to, and then not only, and there will be written certain shortcut keys, and there will be record that, and there will be a blank. You can change your shortcut key. You can confirm it. Just not only will be that, there will be many shortcut keys of taking screenshot or anything. So I'm going to open it. The shortcut key I told you to open Xbox Game Bar is Windows plus G. Okay, so I'm unable to open it right now. So I'm going to open it from the search box. Now earlier will be showing when here the record option, but you will be unable to record it. I'm telling that I will be unable to record it because this application won't record on your home screen. Actually, it's not going to record at your home screen. It's going to record. Now you can see earlier the microphone will be muted. Then we are going to unmute it. When we will be first time doing this, there will be some option coming to change the settings, and we are going to change the settings from there. And then you can see I'm unable to record. It comes gaming features and will from Windows desktop or File Explorer. It means that we can't record at File Explorer here, neither at the File Explorer, nor we could record the Windows desktop. We have to open some application to record it. So I'm going to open my Chrome here. first going to open Chrome here. Well, now I'm going to, let's try on new tab. Well, it is going to work or not. I'm going to tell you Windows plus G. Okay, now you can see the recording option has enabled. It means that we have to only open it. It will only work when there will be some application opened. So we're going to click here. Microphone is enabled. Our voice is going to come. And ta-da, it started to record. So we could see that it's recording, and now we are going to search something here. For example, MIT App Inventor. Now, those who know about my channel, Keshin and Aradhya, they know what is MIT App Inventor. I have uploaded a coding video there. If you don't know what is MIT App Inventor, it's a coding site which is free. It's totally free. So now I have opened it and it's continuously recording what I'm going to open because it's going to work on an application only. Now I'm going to, now you can subscribe that channel Keshin and Aradhya because I made a particular channel where to upload coding videos only at Keshin and Aradhya. And Aradhya Dugal's Fun Zone, my brother Aradhya has uploaded many coding videos. So I'm going to close it and let's see if the recording will stop or not. I close this tab. Still is going to record, but it has now stopped. Now I'm going to click here again. Now the recording feature will be there earlier, but it won't record actually. Because my recording application is working maybe or so, but it will take some time. I'm going to reload this, my Windows, or maybe not, I don't know. Now the recording option has disabled. This shows that it will only work. Show all captures. Now it will take maybe some time or maybe if more than that. I'm going to open a new tab and okay, see. So guys, you can see that this is like this. So it's an easy recording feature. You can just simply click on I said serial. You can just click on Windows key with G and we have learned many shortcut keys as well. For Windows 10, shortcut key to open Xbox game bar is Windows key, which is at the keyboard to plus G to show recording features in it and screenshot feature. Windows key plus Win means Windows, Alt plus G to open settings. Well, to open settings, the shortcut key is Windows plus I. So these are certain shortcut keys which we have learned in this video. Now there are many more problems. I know there's problems. Sometimes we forget to shut down our PC at night and in morning our computer gets hanged and we try to shut it down, but if we continuously click on the start button, but we are unable to get the other options. The start window does not open, neither the search bar. Right now it's opening or not. Yeah, it's opening. Right now it's opening, but when we forget to shut down and it's getting hanged, it doesn't. So I have another way. I'm going to first click. I'm just going to keep my cursor on start and I'm going to right click. There'll be certain options like app features, mobility center, and many more. And we're going to select shutdown or sign out. I'm not going to shut it down right now because then my recording will be stopped. So you can just click here and a PC will be shut down and we are going to leave it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. And then our PC will work like normal and it will work really smoothly. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed and hope you stay safe and hope you stay home. Thanks for watching. Bye.